Tara, party lines were clearly drawn during today's hearing. Republicans defending an unborn baby's right to life and applauding the high court's decision to return the issue of abortion back to the states, while Democrats vowed to continue fighting for the rights of women and calling the impact of the Dobbs decision catastrophic.
They don't appear to have much voice in the Republican caucus today, but there are lots of Republicans who agree with us that this is a choice that belongs to women, girls, and their families.
Their whole focus is on intimidating the court, and they're the ones with the radical position. Mr. Raskin just said we're radical. They're the ones who think you should take the life of an unborn child. You could take the life of an unborn child right up until their birthday.
As lawmakers volleyed back and forth, witnesses spoke of their fears moving forward in a post-Roe America.
And it's opening up a range of unprecedented legal issues that I never thought we would be dealing with. Whether or not you can travel and leave your state, whether or not you can be surveilled, whether or not you as an individual are truly free in this country.
It is essentially a death sentence, given the data that we already know, that a woman is 14 times more likely to die by carrying a pregnancy to term than having an abortion.
Erin Hawley, an attorney at Alliance Defending Freedom and the sole pro-life witness, said her view of a post-Roe America is a hopeful one.
We're already seeing state and private entities like the embattled pregnancy care centers step up to surround expecting moms with a caring community.
She sought to set the record straight on the intentions behind the law that set precedent for 50 years.
The truth is that Roe was not the pro-woman opinion that some imagine. In a patriarchal passage that the pro-abortion left would rather forget, Roe gave to a woman's doctor the ability to choose an abortion.
Witnesses also debating whether or not abortion should be considered health care.
Abortion absolutely is health care. When you have a miscarriage or an ectopic pregnancies, a lot of times abortion is the way that these things are resolved.
So I think there's a few things on which we need to set the record straight. One, that an ectopic pregnancy, treatment for that condition never involves an abortion. The same is true of a miscarriage. An abortion is a situation in which a child, as the Supreme Court explained in Dobbs, is purposely put to death.
Pro-life and abortion rights advocates alike are calling for lawmakers to pass legislation from the federal level. Republicans considering some sort of a nationwide ban as Democrats seek to preserve access to abortions. Neither is likely to pass ahead of midterms when voters will get to weigh in. Tara?